Exercise 7. There were no gray squirrels in a certain park before 2010 when 18 gray squirrels were introduced. By 2020, the population had grown significantly. If the population grew exponentially with an average increase of 14.5 per year, which function best models the population t years after 2010? Well, we know that in 2010, which was the year that the squirrels were introduced, the initial population was 18. So this means that it should be either B, C, or D. A should be rejected. Next, we know that we have an increase of 14.5% per year means that it's the same as when multiplying by 100 plus 14.5 over 100, which is the same as 114.5 over 100, which is 1.145. So that should be the growth ratio, which makes C the right answer for this question. We should ignore D because D has a different exponent. T stands for years, and we know that each year, not each semester or not every 2 years, but each year we have that growth. So C is the only option that combines all given info.